Okay. So what we are doing here, we are just going to create a one complete card of one complete, like you can say a one page, a beautiful page, right? Where we have multiple inputs. We will just take the input from the user and just try to submit the form or try to send the data from somewhere to some different place, right? Guys, just stop your video. If you started your video, please stop it, right? And just check it. If you don't know that it's started or not, so just check this thing, right, in your system. Yeah. So let's start. Yeah. So what I'm doing here, guys, what is my plan? My plan is to create a one card here, right? Okay. So how we can do this? Let's see. Guys, as we have center tag, we have more tags, right? Not only one or two tags we have, right? We have more tags, right? We have a one tag name is div. Tag name is div, which means you can say division, right? Okay. So let's see what I'm doing here. I'm just creating a one div tag. Get my point? And inside this div tag, I'm creating h1 tag. And inside this h1 tag, what I'm doing here, I'm just asking for login your, guys, like for example, I'm just creating a one page where we have username and password, where we just take the username and password and we can just start. Guys, everyone is getting my voice. Everyone is getting my voice, guys. Aryan and Amar, are you getting my voice right now? Okay, so let's start. Let's see. We have this and we will just refresh. We are getting this. We are getting this. Okay, perfectly fine. What I want, guys, what I want, like what is my focus? My focus is I want change the background color of this hello to all. Of this hello to all. How we can do this? Let's see. As we know, if I just use this div and here we will just write style equals to background color. Like what color, like which color do you want to use as a background color? So if I say I want to use this one, suppose coral color, I want to use this, right? Okay, can you see this, guys? I'm getting this log in your account. I'm getting this log in your account option and I'm just getting this background color. Get your point? Now,
can you elaborate deep tag?
Just a minute. Yeah, please tell me.
It's a deep tag.
Sorry,
what is the
div tag? Okay, div tag, right? Okay. Actually, div is, you can say, a division. Like for example, let's see. We have this one division where I'm just using, this is my division, like the complete color, you can say, from this color, this corner to this corner, and from this corner to this corner. This is my one division we have from my complete page. I'm just going to take some divisions from my whole page. And what is my whole page? The complete page, whatever you can see here. You can see on my screen, the white screen, this is my whole page. And just creating a one division. So for example, I'm just going to copy the same division one more time and going to paste it. And here, register your account. And color will not be the coral. Color can be this aqua. Can you see this? I'm just creating some divisions. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Division is just going to create,
So actually, yes, in last class we have done means two styles in one line. Background color also and pixel changing also. So I also tried background color and that font color.
Okay.
The tag which I'm using in front means if I'm using that background color at front, it's changing only background. And if I'm writing at font color at the front, then it's changing only font. Both are not happening.
Reason is you are going to forget to use the semicolon. Get a point? If you are not using,
actually semicolon I have used inside the inverted comma. I have given semicolon.
Okay, like this, like see, I have this, like for example, I have this, and I won't change the color or font color will be white. So I will just use the color. Get your point?
That means style only one time only I need to write, right?
Yeah, right.
So actually I'm writing style 2 times.
No. It's simple. Understand. I'm just writing, suppose for example, just assume I'm writing x equals to 5 and I'm writing x equals to 6. And if I'm just using, suppose for example, print x, what will be my output? My output will be 5 or my output will be 6? What do you think?
6.
6, definitely 6. Why 6? Because 6 is going to replace my 5. Get in mind. Same thing. If you're writing a style for one time, and if you're writing a style 2 times in a same attribute or same tag, then what happened? It will just going to replace your previous style to the new style. Get your point? That's why it's happening. Okay. So you have to write the style tag only once, and you can write n number of styles here. Doesn't matter that you're writing 2, you are writing 2000. You can write. Get your mind? Okay. So as you can see, we have this. Log in your account, and I'm just getting this div. Okay. I'm just going to delete this. Guys, may I delete this? I think we can, right? Because we are not going to use this pattern right now. Hello? एक मिनट, मेरे सेकंड नंबर पे कॉल करो, है ना?
Sir, your screen got freeze.
Sorry? Hello? Yeah, anyone
Your
is?
screen got freeze.
Yeah, now are you getting my screen? Now I'm just moving it.
Yes, sir, it's fine.
Just a minute, guys. Hello?
हेलो
हाँ, बोलो.
सर मतलब अभी अब मैंने कहा था कि मतलब अराउंड 151 बच्चे हैं, मतलब बहुत सारे लोगों का मैसेज आ रहा है.
अभी देखो, अभी मेरे पास सिर्फ 101 पार्टिसिपेंट्स ज्वाइन हैं.
हाँ जी सर.
है ना?
हाँ जी सर, वो कह रहे हैं कि मतलब हम मतलब अंदर आ रहे हैं, आज से ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं, पर सर अंदर ले नहीं रहे, कह रहे हैं.
नहीं, मैं सभी को ले रहा हूँ. वो क्या हो रहा है, वो लोग ज्वाइन करके तुरंत लीव कर रहे हैं, है ना? अब इट विल टेक टाइम. लाइक मैं उनको क्लिक तो करूँ एटलीस्ट जाके एडमिट पे. देखो जैसे ए आया, मैंने अभी ज्वाइन किया, है ना? निशांत करके कोई है. हाँ
सर, मतलब इसका मतलब ये पार्टिसिपेंट कितने वाला है ये?
150 वाला है. आई 101 ही है. 150 तक ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं.
ओके सर.
ठीक है ना? सो डेफिनेटली ज्वाइन कर जाएंगे ना.
ओके सर.
ठीक है. यदि नहीं कर रहे हैं तो मैं तुम्हें जूम की लिंक भेज रहा हूँ इंस्टेंटली.
अच्छा, ऐसा हो सर, आप जूम की भी लिंक भी दे दो.
मैं जूम की लिंक दे रहा हूँ, तुरंत दे रहा हूँ, है ना? आई थिंक ये ज्वाइन नहीं कर पा रहा है, मैं समझ रहा हूँ, नहीं कर पा रहा है ज्वाइन. ठीक है ना? मैं कर भेज रहा हूँ.
ओके.
Yeah, guys, just wait a minute, right? I'm just going to continue.